Postpartum or blood-nourishing lamb soup, Dang Gui Yang Ru Tang. Used for replenishing blood, improving circulation, alleviating fatigue, and warming the body, especially after childbirth or blood loss. This recipe is a classic traditional Chinese medicine tonic. Lamb is a warming protein that strengthens qi and blood. Chinese angelica root, dangui, is arguably the most important herb for blood building and regulating blood circulation in traditional Chinese medicine. Ginger dispels cold and aids digestion. Do like, comment, and subscribe this channel. This will help us to reach you again. Ingredients: 1 pound lamb shanks or stewing lamb, with bone-in for richer broth. 15 grams Chinese angelica root, dangui. 5. 6 thick slices of fresh ginger. 6. 8 Chinese red dates, jujube. Pitted 1. 2 TBSP goji berries, guqizi. Salt to taste. 10 grams astragalus root, huangqi, for added qi. Blanch the lamb. Place the lamb in a pot of boiling water for 2-3 minutes to remove impurities. Drain and rinse. Drain and rinse. Place the blanched lamb, dangui, ginger slices, and dates into a clean pot. Cover with plenty of fresh water, about 8-10 cups. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low. Skim off any scum that rises to the surface. Cover and simmer gently for 2-3 hours, allowing the nutrients from the bones and herbs to fully extract into the broth. In the last 30 minutes of cooking, add the goji berries. Season with salt to taste before serving. Eat the meat and drink the broth. Dosage and precautions. This is a potent, strengthening soup, best consumed once a week or as needed. It is highly warming, so it is not suitable for individuals with conditions of excessive heat or inflammation. This nourishing soup is especially beneficial for postpartum recovery and blood replenishment. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more traditional healing recipes. Thank you for watching, and may this healing soup bring warmth and strength to your recovery journey.